All right, hey guys, Matt here with Crypto Blick once again. Today I'm going to review the Robinhood app for you and show you how to buy and sell crypto on the app. Always keep in mind, watch your fees wherever you go in terms of what platform you're on. Kraken has the best fees in my opinion at this moment from the research I've found. Coinbase has fees. I've done a separate video on fees, but the Cash App, although it's very easy to buy and sell crypto, and you can pull those coins off the platform, their fees are quite high. It's 1.8% right now today. So keep that in mind whenever you're buying crypto. But let's jump right now into the app here. You're going to go to cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin is slowly coming down today, not much. But if I want to buy, I'm going to buy some Bitcoin here. Let's do $5 worth. All right. So I'm going to review. I'm going to swipe up. And voila, it's purchased. So I just purchased $5 worth of BTC, and then I'm going to show you, but also you can see here year to date, you can see the trend of the market price. Obviously it's gone down in the last 3 months. Let's go to, here's the last week, what it looks like. All right, so I bought some crypto. And I decided, okay, I want to sell it now. Obviously, it looks like things are trending downward at the moment as I'm recording this, but that's okay. If I lose a couple cents, I'm fine with that. Let's just do this. Let's do $5. So I'm going to review. I'm going to swipe up. Bitcoin sold, $5 worth. All right. So there we go. So I can see now back in my account that I have $5.10 buying power. One thing to note here, say when I buy, order types. You guys probably already know this, but I'm going to tell you anyways. The market order is whatever it's at the moment when your transaction goes through on the blockchain. When you do a limit order, you can set the limit price for what you're willing to sell or buy your Bitcoin at. So keep that in mind. So if you have a price set in mind and you don't want to sit there on your app waiting for it to transact, you can easily put in that number, set it, leave it, and go on to your daily business. And so one thing to keep in mind too is that you can allow it to happen and it will shut it off at the close of the market, say if you're doing stocks on Robinhood, or it'll keep going until it fulfills that transaction for you and make sure that you buy it at that price point. You can always cancel it later on. But anyway, so those are the different types there. Just wanted to show that to you as well because I've done that on this platform just to test it out and see, okay, say for example, it's $5,253 right now. Say I want to buy at $5,252. I put that limit order in, it will save it for me, and if the price dips back down to that price point, it sets it off and it buys it for me there. So that's extremely handy if you imagine and you think, I'm based off of data, based on what I've seen, what's going on in the markets. I think that Bitcoin's going to come down or go up. You can set that price limit and it will trigger it once it's ready and once it hits that number. So that is how you buy crypto on here. Let's just go ahead and let's buy some more while I'm here. All right, let's buy what I had left in my account there. Swipe up. Sending order. Bitcoin purchase. Total cost 501. All right, there we go. So I just bought some more crypto for my account. Let's see what we're at. So it says I'm investing $110.07 where the market's at right now. You can see, let me show you some data here. So as you scroll down, it says, hey, 100% of your portfolio is in crypto. Your quantity, average cost. Here's news about crypto history. So I've been recording some videos here on on the Robinhood app. So that's why you keep seeing the fluctuation. You see a bunch of $5 numbers there. Volatility is high, obviously, because it is crypto. You guys know that. So anyways, that is a basic overview of the app. You can do the same thing with stocks. It is not the time to buy stocks right now because things keep going down. Now, if you understand true investing, this is the time to buy because you are hoping and praying that the stocks will go up. But I'm not going to get into details of the psychology behind stock trading because I'm new to stock buying and I'm not the professional. There are plenty of other people out there to get advice from. So anyways, until next time, have a great day. Stay warm, stay healthy, and talk to you soon.